can feel your love. I can feel your love. I can feel your love. I can feel your love.
You've been at Hangout for the last 24 hours. What's been your favorite part so far?
Honestly, just being with my boys.
Dylan Francis put on a fucking hell of a show.
Got to say Cap Slap yesterday definitely surprised me.
Honestly, man, it's just been a religious experience.
My favorite part so far has just been seeing all my boys together.
Dylan Francis last night, too nice.
Favorite part, it's been just raging.
What's the artist you're looking forward to the most?
I'm looking forward to the hometown hero called Nightmare.
Marshmallow, for sure.
I'd have to say Marshmallow.
Probably Nightmare. I'm excited to see Nightmare tomorrow.
Marshmallow. My roommate, one of my best friends, Will Arndt, he was really wanting to see him, and as much as I want to see Marshmallow, I want to see Will see Marshmallow.
Something about when he turns his music on, I just can't help but smile.
Now, does the name Ryan Clark ring a bell?
Yeah. Yeah, it does. Yeah, I mean, how could it not?
Sorry. You told me you weren't gonna fucking ask about that. What do you want to know?
How are you going to honor your boy's memory this weekend?
I'm still trying to get over the fact that he's no longer here.
He's a fucking loser. Why would you bring that guy's name up?
I mean, the dude raged. Non-stop.
This is for you, Ryan.
The kid raged. By definition, it's who he was as a person.
From day one, all I wanted was a $5 Venmo charge for him, and he refused to pay for it because he's cheap and he's from Boston.
Man, I'll tell you what, Ryan is my inspiration.
Yeah, I spent a lot of time with Ryan.
The guy got fucking trashed.
He would try and fight me, and I would put him in his place and knock him out cold.
Yeah, he used to be one of us. And the kid was an animal.
He was here, he would tell me to not give a shit what anybody else says.
What's the big deal? The guy got a girlfriend.
One moment, he was, and then they broke the news to me.
You guys are dumb.
Anger, remorse.
I mean, to be honest, I don't know if there will ever be anyone like him ever again.
Can we cut?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna get his ashes, I'm gonna pour him down the toilet. I might have to do that whenever. No, leave it at that. Leave it at that.
Thank you, Mr. Rocket. What's your favorite part about coming to music festivals?
I'm not gonna lie, I just like the music.
You're just with a good group of people who share the same ideas and just having a good time.
Come to music festivals, really for the friends, for one reason alone, and that is my boys. Probably the butts.
Can you do me a favor? Can you turn the camera around and just let them see where we are? Man, how could you not like this, man?
No, it's just throwbacks.
Fucking music festivals, fucking go to mosh pits, go some elbows. jump around with my bros.
That's what life's all about.
You've got incredible music that just makes you want to lose your mind.
I just want to look back and say that, hey, I went to Alabama Gulf Shores with my best friends, and we experienced Hangout Music Festival.